Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access Microsoft Teams. So let's have a look now. To access Microsoft Teams, open your prepared web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type teams.microsoft.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Microsoft Teams website. Click on Get Started and sign into your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be taken to the Teams online platform. Here you can join or create teams, chat with colleagues, schedule meetings, and collaborate on projects. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.